Hello everyone, today I have an air purifier by Himox. Inside of the box we get the air purifier, the power adapter, the user manual, and 2 aromatherapy sponges. To get started, remove the protective film on the LED buttons, remove the bag over the filter, and put the filter back in place. Connect the AC power to the air purifier and turn it on. The Himox air purifier has a color LED air quality indicator, allowing you to know if the air is bad, red, normal, purple, good, green, or perfect, blue. The top of the air purifier has touch-sensitive buttons. The timer button is at the bottom and you can set a timer for the air purifier to be on for 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. The fan speed button is at the top and you can set it to low, high, auto, or sleep mode. The LED on, off, and filter indicator button is on the right. The child lock button is on the left. Leave it pressing for 3 seconds and the child lock will turn on. And the power button is in the middle. The Himox air purifier comes equipped with an H13 HEPA filtration, which is able to eliminate up to 99% of air impurities in a room size of up to 1300 square feet. It is 20 dB super quiet, allowing you to use it at nighttime while sleeping. Overall, this awesome air purifier is very easy to use, quiet, and it looks great wherever you place it, so check it out. You won't regret it.